Hello everyone. Today I will introduce to you a domestic electric baler, JDPSE1316. First, let's take a look at the unpacking of the machine. Product manual. Body. Charger. Battery. Random kit. The applicable range of this machine is 13到16毫米. Tape thickness is 0.5到 1.2毫米. Suitable for paper mills, aluminum factories, brick factories, etc. Before the machine operates, first we insert the battery. Turn on the key after the indicator light is on. The round button is the tighten button. The black push button is the welding cut button. These two buttons can adjust the welding time and pulling force. The first button is to adjust the size of the tension. You can adjust it through the strength of the strap and product characteristics. The second button is the welding time button. Then let me show you a tape operation of this baler. Turn on the power first. Pull the black lever after the indicator light is on. Gently place the strap into the cassette slot. Once aligned, press the silver cinch button. Then press the black down button to quickly cut off the welding. After the light stops blinking, lifting rod. Move slightly to the right. Tape complete.